Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix payment denied on PayPal. First, always double-check your linked payment method. Ensure your bank account or card has enough funds to cover the transaction. Also, confirm that the card details, such as the 3-digit security code, are entered correctly. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause a denial. Finally, look for any security alerts within your PayPal account dashboard. These often indicate why a payment was blocked. PayPal's security systems are designed to protect you, but they can sometimes flag legitimate transactions. If prompted, complete any identity verification steps, like confirming a code sent to your phone or email. Using a secure, private internet connection is also crucial, as public Wi-Fi can trigger security warnings. Additionally, a quick fix can be to update your web browser and clear its cache and cookies, which resolves many common technical glitches. Sometimes, payment denials are due to account limits. If you've recently opened your account or made a large transaction, PayPal might have temporary sending or spending limits in place. Consider linking and confirming a secondary payment method, like another bank account or credit card, to provide a backup. If the problem persists after these steps, the best course of action is to contact PayPal customer support directly. They can access your account details and provide specific guidance. To prevent future payment denials, always ensure your billing address on PayPal exactly matches the address registered with your bank or credit card company. Discrepancies here are a very common reason for rejections. Try to avoid making several large transactions in quick succession, as this can trigger fraud alerts. Regularly review and update your PayPal account information, including your contact details and linked payment methods, to keep everything current and verified for smooth transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.